you'll turn that into your Tuesday email. Now, here's my go-to format. Start with a hook, something that stops the scroll. Move on to how. This is a quick preview of what they'll learn in that blog post or video show or whatever. Then you're going to do what? Link to the blog or video with a compelling reason why it's worth the read. And I like to include reading time or watch time. And then end with proof, a stat, story, or testimonial that adds credibility or relatability and just brings it back to the story. That's it. Thanks to this system, I never have to stare at the blinking cursor wondering what to say each week. And my content always stays aligned with my brand voice, my values, my experience. This exact process gives my client a consistent 60% open rate and an 8 to 15% click rate. And yes, it leads to sales.